Hi, I'm Dr. Karim. I'm here in the medical clinic today, Iowa Wellness Center. So today we're going to talk about the 3 types of stem cells that you can get. So there's 2 of them that you can get from your own body, and those are called autologous tissue stem cells. The first one is your fat cells. Your fat cells do contain some stem cells, and we can get it out from a fat cell. And the way they do that is they actually get it from either your belly or anywhere where fat cells like to be. And then they separate it and inject it back in you. The other part that they can get from you is the bone marrow. So basically they'll drill in there, get some stem cells and inject it again in you. The third, which is a kind of third party, it's not from yourself, it's actually donated. And that's kind of like the Switzerland of stem cells out there. And those are called the mesenchymal stem cell, or some other areas will call them mesenchymal stem cells. And those are actually from the placenta or the umbilical cord from a newborn baby. So there's 5 criteria that we'll discuss in a later video of how to get those and how they qualify. But the third one is basically the top shelf because we call it the 0-day-year-old stem cells, compared to if you're getting it from yourself, if you're a 50-year-old or a 30-year-old, you're getting 30-year-old stem cells or 50-year-old stem cells. These are 0-day-year-old stem cells, and that's why those work the best. Best way to explain that is they actually did a controlled study in a lab, and they actually took a stem cell from an 80-year-old and they let it incubate for about a month. What they found is there are 200 stem cells that were created in that 1 month. They did the same thing to a 30-year-old, again in a controlled study, and they found that that generated 32,500 stem cells in a month. And then they took the 0-day-year-old, and guess how many they found in a month? They found 1 billion. 1 billion stem cells that were created. And that's why that is the top of the shelf. So again, I'm Dr. Karim with here in Iowa Wellness Center.